Students, we have already revised the properties of square and square root in the revision part 1, and today we will go with the revision of this part 2 of square and square root, where we will use the method to find out the square and square roots of the number. The first method that you have seen is your repeated subtraction method. So how to perform in repeated subtraction method? The subtraction of odd number consequently to the number. Actually, we have to subtract the consecutive odd numbers. We have to start with 1, then the next odd number 3, then the next odd number 5, next odd number 7. In this way, we have to go to subtract the consequently odd numbers till we will get 0. As we will get 0, then we have to stop. So the number of the observation we subtract to the number is the square root of that number. Let's see by an example. To find out the square root of 64, let's start with 64. Your first odd number is 1. We subtracted 1, we will get 63. Then 3, we will get 60. Then 5, we will get 55. Then from 55, we subtracted 7. We get 48. From 48 we have subtracted 9. We get 39. From 39 the next odd number is 11. So we subtracted 11. We get 28. Then the same way we subtracted 13 from 28. We get 15. And the next odd number is 15. And 15 minus 15 is 0. How many steps we perform to get 0? So total 8 steps. So the square root of 64 is 8. So this is so simple method, but it is not applicable for the big numbers. It can be applicable to only small numbers. Then we have seen about the prime factorization. You know very well that what are prime factors and composite number. Then also I am showing you a isosceles sieve in which you can very well understand the number which are marked by blue are the prime numbers, as 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, you can see till 100 I marked it by blue. These are the prime numbers. So when we have to go with prime factorization, we cannot take 4, 6 or 8, though the number can be divisible by 4 or 6. We have to choose only the prime number from the numbers of your content. Now let us see the prime factorization method. I have given one example to find out the prime factorization square root with the help of prime factorization method. The number on your screen is 256. Now it's an even number divisible by 2, even number divisible by 2. So after factorizing, we are getting 256 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Again 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And as we know that in prime factorization we are making the pair of two 2's together. So we have made the pair of two 2's, and after getting it, one pair 1 2, one pair 1 2, and in this way you are getting 16 as the square root of the prime factorization of 256. Then you have the square root of decimal numbers. In square root of decimal numbers, you can go with the long division method also. In long division method, I told you that you have to make the pair of the numbers. We will make the pair from integral part from unit place to onward, and from decimal part it will be from 10th place to onward. Okay, do you understand? From integral part we will make 3 to 2, and from decimal part we will go from 0 to 4. In this way, after making the pair, then we have to start the long division method. 23, we have to take first square number nearer to 23. As the square of 5 is bigger than 23, we will go with the square of 4. As 4 and 4, we will get 16 and 7 as a remainder. Now this point will be take to the dividend question part, and then we will solve this 0 4. As we are putting the ordered pair 0 4, now the number 7 will become 704. To add the unit place with 4, 4 4 will becomes 8. Now we have to multiply something in the place of 8 beside 8. The same number will be on the question part, so that we will get the number nearer to 704 or equal to 704. So by multiplying with 8, 8 8 ja, it means 88, 8 ja, it is 704. So what we are getting there? 4.8. For 23 it is 4, and for 04 it will be 8. So as you know that in square root the number of decimal points will be half. If it will be 2 in the number, then 1 will be in the square root of the number. So the same we will get 4.8. Then I have given one more example, that is by square division method, that is 625. Now we have to make the pair from unit place. So 5 and 2 is paired and 6 will be remains unpaired. No problem. Let first solve this 6, and nearer square number is 2. So 2 2 are 4, the remainder is 2. Now you have to drop down this ordered pair 25 with 2. Your number will becomes 225. And you have to add the unit place 2, it will becomes 4. Now you have to multiply with 4 something, the same number at the quotient place, so it will be nearer to 225. And after multiplying with 5, we are getting 225. So the square root of 625 is 25. So in this way, student, we can find out the square root of any number. So I hope that you will understand the chapter thoroughly, and in revision will be help you to understand whatever the points you are lacking in that chapter. So thanks and goodbye.